Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and space for the whole family without breaking the bank? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Alpine White. With automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, manual 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SiriusXM radio, rear 60/40 folding seats, height adjustable rear cargo floor, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5004A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.